Hello, I'm going to be going over the remote control car circuit diagram from the remote control car that was worked on during the fall 2025 semester. So here we're going to start with an Arduino R4, specifically the Wi-Fi version, because that's how we are using to control. We've got a Little B ESC. Well, it doesn't have to be a Little B. Any electronic speed controller here. We're using a 40 amp. We've got a 3-phase brushless DC motor. We've got a simple servo, 5 volt and a PWM servo. We're using a big old battery here, lithium ion, I believe, or no, LiPo. It's a LiPo battery. We've got a 10 kilo ohm resistor and a 220 kilo ohm resistor, as well as 3 capacitors. So let's go over how everything works. So pretty much you have your battery here, and this goes into your electronic speed controller. Now, not only does it power your motor, but it also powers everything else by stepping down to give us 5 volts and ground, and this is our main 5 volt and ground line. This main 5 volt and ground line goes here into our Arduino to power the Arduino. We also have it going over here to power our servo, but the servo, I don't want to say in between, but kind of in between, near at least, to the servo, we're going to have these 3 capacitors, a 100 nanofarad capacitor, a 10 microfarad capacitor, and a 470 microfarad capacitor. This is to help with any current spikes that the servo might induce in the circuit as it starts to move. Then we're going to have our 10 pin go up through here through a 220 kilo ohm resistor to control the servo through PWM. And then we're going to have our pin 9 going into here to the electronic speed controller with a 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor to ground to ensure that the electronic speed controller reads at 0 throttle as we start up the Arduino. That is pretty much it. All the controlling actually happens from a web server that is hosted through the Wi-Fi on the Arduino, and everything else is controlled through PWM.